everyone, Francine here. Just wanted to show you guys what the liner looks like. In case you are wondering if you should bring a sleeping bag or not. They provide us with disposable liners already at the albergues. And then if you just bring your silk liner, this is what it's gonna look like. I'll show you guys.
So it comes with like a pocket, see? It's like a pocket that you put the pillow inside, and it acts like a pillowcase. So it's protected twice. One with the disposable liner they provided, plus my silk liner. And then it comes with like this extra lip. Let's call it a lip. And then I fold it over the blanket. So there you go. It's nice and clean. And I don't really need to touch the blanket just the same way that I don't touch the mattress or the pillow.
So this is what my bed looks like, and I personally didn't think having a sleeping bag was essential because I was okay with using their blanket, and majority of the albergues do have blankets. It was just occasional municipals that didn't, but the rooms were so hot that it was okay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again soon. Buen camino. Bye.